Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Cooking Craze account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Cooking Craze account, firstly go ahead and open up your Cooking Craze application. The home page of Cooking Craze application will appear on the screen. Click on Login option. From the pop-up, tap on Register with email. Enter your email address and create a password for your Cooking Craze account and tap on Register. By agreeing, you will agree to the terms and conditions of Cooking Craze. This is how you can sign up for your Cooking Craze account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.